Oh, hello there. This is Shannon Bowdy with Slow Happy Homes of Keller Williams, and I'm outside our gorgeous listing at 689 Woodland Drive in beautiful Arroyo Grande. This is a single level main home with an attached ADU on a quiet cul-de-sac. Here's the entrance to the ADU right here. You can have a secondary unit on your own property as a rental, extended family, or just have extra space for when guests come. Isn't that amazing? We thank you for watching, so if you want to see 689 Woodland Drive, you let us know. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy with Slow Happy Homes of Keller Williams, and we hope that you have a slow happy day.